Ready to unlock a whole new world of DeFi opportunities by connecting your MetaMask wallet to the Binance Smart Chain. Let's jump right in. First, open your MetaMask wallet. By default, it's connected to the Ethereum mainnet. To access Binance Smart Chain, we need to add it as a custom network. Click the network drop-down menu at the top. Scroll down and select Add Network. This will open a new tab in your browser, or expand the view depending on your MetaMask setup. Here, you'll need to enter the Binance Smart Chain network details in the network name field. Enter Binance Smart Chain for the new RPC URL. Type in https://bsc.dataseed.binance.org/ the chain ID is 56. The currency symbol is BNB. And the block explorer URL is https://bscs.com/. Double check that all the information is correct, then click Save. Great! MetaMask is now connected to the Binance Smart Chain. You should see BNB as the default currency now. Let's transfer some BNB from Binance to your MetaMask wallet. Go to your Binance account and navigate to the withdrawal page for BNB. Paste your MetaMask wallet address, which you can find at the top of your MetaMask interface, into the recipient address field on Binance. Make sure that the network selected on Binance is Binance Smart Chain, also known as DApps. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind there are withdrawal fees, so do not forget to account for those. Once the transaction is confirmed on the Binance Smart Chain, the BNB will appear in your MetaMask wallet. You can now connect your MetaMask wallet to dApps like PancakeSwap by clicking the Connect Wallet button on the dApps website and selecting MetaMask. You're now ready to explore the exciting world of DeFi on the Binance Smart Chain.